It is now official to start using ChatGTP on your iPhone or Android devices. Now the application is available to both of them. As you can see, this is in my Google Play Store. This is the application which I'm going to install right away, and this is already installed on my iPhone. So let's dive into the iPhone and show you how you can use it. And at the end, I will show you how you can set up yours in a simplest way. So this is my ChatGTP application, the official app by OpenAI, as you can see here. So let's dive into the app. As you can see here, now I am opening it. So this application on my iPhone, I already registered it with my Apple ID. So now I can be able to use it, and it can save me all my search, all my questions history on these applications, as you can see. So now I can write anything to do. Misali, I can write, for example, I can write 10 ideas of get barrel video on YouTube. On YouTube. On YouTube, as you can see. So now I ask him 10 ideas to get barrel video on YouTube. So as you can see now, it starts writing me this answer. As you can see, number one, unique challenge, trending topics. Here are they. There are 10. As you can see in here, you can choose the right one, and even if you apply this to your video, you can get viral video on your YouTube channel. So that is how you can use ChatGTP. ChatGTP you can ask him a various questions, a very hardless question, a very complex question. You can ask him, and he can write you right away without wasting any of your time. So this is one feature which you can use. Just type and write any question, then it can reply to you the unique answer, the one you want. So you can ask him almost anything you want to know about your experience or about your businesses. It can help you for your businesses, for many things. So this is the number one feature which you can write in. So the next feature is, if you type here, as you can see, you can say something and it can answer you directly. This means that if you type here, you don't want to type a word, you want to just tell him and it make a word, then you can send. So this is the second feature which you can use. As you can see, let me delete this. So as you can see, if you type here, it can generate all the things that you are saying, then it make it a text, and then after you stop this, then it can be able to convert into text, then you can send it, then ChatGTP will reply to you with your questions. So this is another cool way to use it. The next feature is that using this headphone icon. If you tap this headphone icon, you can make ChatGTP as like your friend. You asking any question that you doubting, or you know it, but you want to know more about this knowledge or information you are looking for. So just type here and then start speaking. It will going to connect. After it connected, hey ChatGTP, how I can get money on YouTube using creating videos.
Absolutely. You can make money on YouTube by creating and uploading videos. Here's a brief overview. 1. Enable monetization. Once you meet YouTube's eligibility criteria, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and enable monetization on your channel. 2. AdSense revenue. Earn money through advertisements shown in your videos. You'll receive a share of the revenue generated by ads. 3. Create engaging content. Focus on creating high-quality and engaging videos that attract and retain viewers. More views can lead to increased ad revenue. 4. Explore multiple revenue streams. Besides ad revenue, consider affiliate marketing, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and other monetization avenues to diversify your income. 5. Build a subscriber base. Encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel. A larger subscriber base can enhance your earning potential and increase your video's visibility. 6. Follow YouTube policies. Adhere to YouTube's community guidelines and policies to maintain eligibility for monetization. Remember, success on YouTube takes time, consistency, and dedication. Keep refining your content, engaging with your audience, and exploring different revenue streams.
So that is how you can get money on YouTube. As you can see, it is just right way speak to me. So in conclusion, I'm going to show you how you can register your own ChatGTP either on Android or iPhone and start using your own. As you can see, if you download this application, you tap open. So this is the first page it will show you. As you can see in here, you are going to sign in either using your Google account or using Apple ID or using an email. So let's sign in with my Google account. After I sign in on my Google account, so I'm going to show you how you can start using it. So now I select the Google account. I want to use this ChatGTP, so I can click continue. So now I am right way. This is how you can use it either on iPhone or an Android. And I already told you that if you type here, you can write any question you want, or you can tap this icon, you can speak, and it will convert that your voice to text. Then you can send it to ChatGTP. It will reply to you with your answer of your question. And then if you type this headphone icon, you can be able to use ChatGTP hands-free. You can speak to him and it will reply to you with your question. You can choose the right voice you want, and that all you how you can use ChatGTP on your either Android device or iPhone. So what do you think about this video? Let me know inside the comment section. By the way, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it to friends and family. Above what you take sign out.